What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. As you see here, alkyl groups are connecting by oxygen. Here they are connected to each other by oxygen, so it means that we are dealing with an ether. So since we have two of them, we have methoxy and methoxy. So that's going to be dimethoxy benzene. And since they are in para form, we call it P dimethoxy benzene. So you remember ortho, meta, and para. So in this case, because they're opposite, is para dimethoxy because you have two of them, and benzene because of this structure here. There is another name for that because we can have it as 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can call it as 1 and 4 dimethoxy benzene. What about the common name? Common name we can have, it's going to be a little bit difficult because we have, first of all, we have 2 methyl, so it's going to be dimethyl, and we have ether at the end. And here, because this benzene is the subcategory of phenol group, because phenol has a benzene ring and OH, but we have another type of phenol that we have OH here and OH on the other side, that we call it hydroquinone. So that's another name for this compound. So it's going to be hydroquinone dimethyl ether. That's another name for this compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, please like this video, and you can also subscribe this channel to have access to many different videos regarding math and science. Thank you for watching and have a great day.